Sophia, just a really quick video to show you about perusal. So I'm going to go into this week's perusal here. All you do is you go down to the bottom of the assignment. Oh, I went in the wrong one. I'm sorry. You go to the bottom of the perusal assignment and you find this little rectangle here and you click on it. And you go right in, and then you click on open and you go right into the assignment. If yours isn't working that way, then I think I said I use Firefox. I actually use Chrome. Try Chrome. Hold on, Bubs. Try Chrome. And if that doesn't work, maybe another computer, which sounds inconvenient. But anyway, I just want to show you what I'm seeing.